toilet.
Yeah.
And this is road. Because then here, they hit
When
me.
you go to toilet, so you see blood in your stool.
Because they hit me with boots.
Okay.
Then here particularly, they hit me several times, and I always, the place is always aching me, like I won't be able to control myself. Like it will just come like, I don't know, sharpen and draw my eye like this. Everything just aching me as if the head wants to break.
Okay. What else?
I feel weak every time. Looking every time.
Okay. What else?
Then my eyes. I don't see sun.
So how long are you been coughing the blood?
Yes. Like 5 days.
Like 5 days.
No, 5 days. No, it was 5 days. When I got to the party, the phone got took me to the party.
So how long have you been seeing coughing blood?
Just over a month. Just 2 months. Immediately I get to that place to the cell.
Okay.
5 days after, I was seriously sick and they rushed me.
You know, so you started coughing.
Yeah.
Like 5 days after.
Yeah.
Okay, 5 days.
So,
They took him to hospital in Party. After, I think so. Okay.
yeah.
Alright, the body stool, how long has it been? It's stool, you see blood in your stool, how long have you been seeing blood in your stool?
In Benin, when they
That time is every time.
Okay, when did you start seeing the blood?